January 17th, 2024. So I wanted to share a cool little secret with you guys about how to know with a high level of certainty what the market will do in the United States by observing what the market will do in Japan. Now, in some prior videos over the last couple of years, I've pointed out that we often trade Japanese stock market. Now, if you're on Thinkorswim, you can type in /NKD, and that would be Japanese futures. They're basically 225 stocks of their top blue chips. And basically, recently, you could have easily applied the 13 market moves formula to the Japanese stock market. And basically, if I was to draw this out, it becomes very visible. I have sent an alert yesterday noticing how Japan made a crazy move too. And today overnight, we got a repetition of even a grander move too with a move expansion. So my guess observing this would be, and it would be a very high probability guess, I would say, that we could get a move expansion today in the United States market based off the historic correlation. Japanese market will point out number one, the direction of what could be happening in the S&P and NASDAQ and Russell 2000. It will also point out that based off this expansion of the move in Japan, which Japan had crazy moves lately. Like it goes up 800 points, down 400. So this is not a huge move expansion, but this is something to pay attention to. It basically tells you that today S&P can drop by more than what you have normally seen it do, and any bounce in the United States market should be shorted. So when you see the market in the States do this, basically you buy puts, you don't buy calls. So oftentimes people ask me, well, Leo, what do you do in preparation for the market open? Guys, this is the stuff you got to look at. You got to look at what other world indices are doing overnight, because it's daytime over there while it's nighttime in the United States, and a lot of the markets worldwide will point out what could be happening in the United States, and at times these correlations are running really tight. So I would say there's a 90% plus probability that the market move in the United States today on the 17th will be a red move based on the consistency of the move 2-2 formation in Japan. And if we're to take a look at the chart, guys, to no surprise, move 2 signifies the top. Well, guys, look at this run in Japan from 32 to 36. Now, and there's a lot of speculation. Well, Warren Buffett went to Japan last year to set up a deal with the trading houses. Well, just as a record for history lesson, Japanese market has not hit this level since 1989. The last day, hey, surprise, United States stocks market hits a high on the day before the last day of 2023 and then struggles. Well, this is exactly what happened in 1989 in Japan. It basically hits a level of 40,000 and then crashes in the year of 1990 by 30%. And so now everyone is excited because they think, okay, well, sure enough, Japan is going to go to 40,000. Well, it hasn't done it in 34, 35 years, and the probability that all of a sudden it's going to do it now, as everyone is hyping them up, is probably not going to happen. So I would use this as a shorting opportunity on Japanese stock market. We can easily get a nice sizable pullback to 33, 34,000, considering that the main argument that everyone is using to buy Japanese equities is, well, they're below book value. Fuck, they've been below book value for over 30 years. That does not give you a sort of a momentum now why, well, they're below book value. And the stocks in the United States, they're all over book value. They're all over fucking price right now. So this is the reason to buy Japanese market? No, Japanese market's been shit for over 30 years. It is likely to continue doing so. And as far as we're concerned here at 13 Market Moves, this is a great entry to short Japanese market. And if you guys don't know how to fucking do it, I invite you to do it with us. Schedule a call here at 13mmtv.com. Talk to a senior trading coach, and Guys, sometimes these opportunities that you're not trading right now is where the money's at. The last thing you want to be saying as a trader, well, Leo, I'm a stock options guy. I don't want to make money on oil. Leo, I trade stock options only. I'm not interested in making money on gold. This is insane, because the type of market we're fixing to have, guys, is when you want to be trading futures, because that's the shit that's going to produce the wildest moves, and they're going to be happening outside of the regular market hours. So don't be missing these wild opportunities. Trade Japanese futures with us, okay? Learn how to do all this shit. Don't miss out the greatest market opportunities we're about to see in the world over the course of the next 25 days, guys. You can make a killing in the market. I just don't want you to miss it. So pay attention to the move development. Study the sequences. 2-2, it's a fucking top. You look at the fucking chart, well, shit, it's up this much. There's going to be a loss of momentum pattern, which we break down in our charts divergence course. Guys, study the patterns. The way you want to be looking at the market, not through the lens of the news. Learn how to look at the market through the lens of the patterns. And that is why you should study the 13 market moves. And this is why you should study all of our course curriculum, so you could look through at the market through the lens of the patterns. And that's going to give you the edge. That is what's going to allow you to nail those 10, 20x trades when you put the whole thing together. Do it with 13 market moves. Schedule a call today. Talk to us. Change the outcome of your 2024 trading now, today. 17th of January 2024. The market is about to fall the fuck out. Are you gonna make money from the drop? Call us today.